Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about additive manufacturing. So in this we are going to discuss about recent trends in manufacturing. So mainly these recent trends mainly concentrate on reducing the cost as well as increasing the productivity as well as the improvement of the quality and flexibility. So these concerns, this new technology will be concentrated. So first we are going to discuss about the lean manufacturing. So in the lean manufacturing, here in this technology the wastage will be minimized over here. So like it minimize the ideal time, and raw material also it will be a minimum, that means optimum way of using the resources over in the lean manufacturing system. Everything in the off, so raw material in the off as well as machines will be off, or labors will be off, or like time consumption also will be off, like everything in the off in the lean manufacturing. So mainly in this lean manufacturing, for particular demand, it is going to produce the product. Okay. So next we can come into the demand flow manufacturing. The demand flow manufacturing is a strategy for defining the deploying business process in a flow. So it synchronizes the closed loop between customer orders, production scheduling, and manufacturing execution. All it coordinate the flow of material across the supply chain. That is the demand flow manufacturing. According to the customer order, it is going to manufacture the component over here. Comes into the next technology, just in time technology. So this one, uh, according to the according to the demand, the product has to be going to manufactured over here. Suppose it required some 18 number of components, only it is going to produce the 18 number of components. So inventory control will be zero over here in the just in time, and it is used to minimize the inventory control. For that purpose, this just in time technology used over here. That comes into the next one, agile manufacturing. So agile manufacturing is a process to, according to the customer requirement, it produce the product. So it produce the variety of product. Okay. And also it joint ventures between the core companies to give a uh, good products, uh, good products. For this agile manufacturing has to be technology used. And on other way, agile manufacturing is also, you can say it as a continuous improvement about on the products. So that is agile manufacturing technology. Then comes into the next one, rapid manufacturing or additive manufacturing. So already we people know that additive manufacturing process is adding the material layer by layer. Okay. So from that the component uh, accuracy will increase, and wastage it will be reduced over while using of this additive manufacturing. And also the component will be lightweight materials. um, this is about the rapid manufacturing. Then comes into the flexible manufacturing system. This is the capable to produce the variety of product. If you take down the machine, it capable to produce number of components as well as number of different type of varieties. And also it is capable to change the production system. So for that, this flexible manufacturing system, it helps and comes into the advanced planning and scheduling. So it is going to plan about the production. So it is in the detailed manner, it helps the industry to produce a component in particular time period. And also the people know that at what time the product has to be completed. And also it helps to work the component according to as per the schedule. This is about the recent trends in the manufacturing system. Next, we are going to discuss about the uh, hybrid manufacturing. hybrid manufacturing process combines two or more established manufacturing process into a new combined setup whereby the advantages each discrete process can be exploited synergetically. So in this one example, in this one, if you take down the laser cutting machines, okay, in those things, laser will be used for the cutting the component, and also the machining process will be taken by like conventional machine tools. So like that two process add and it producing the component means that is the hybrid manufacturing. Okay, so there are different types of hybrid manufacturing are there. First one, hybrid subtractive manufacturing process. Second one, hybrid additive manufacturing process. Third one, hybrid additive and subtractive manufacturing process. And fourth one, hybrid subtractive and transformative manufacturing process. First, we are going to discuss about the hybrid subtractive manufacturing process. It involves the thermal, chemical, electrochemical and mechanical interactions which have been gradually used to meet the challenges and in the reduction of tool wears and production time and increase the machining effectiveness. So thus this will be takes place in the hybrid subtractive manufacturing process. So different types of hybrid subtractive manufacturing process is the mechanical machining and ECM, mechanical machining and electron discharge machining, and laser cutting and electron discharge machining process. So these are all the different types of hybrid manufacturing also hybrid subtractive manufacturing process. Then comes into the hybrid additive manufacturing process. So in this one, the each layer it will be added into that some different type of material, that is hybrid additive manufacturing process, that increases the material properties. So that's what this method will be used. Then comes into the hybrid additive and subtractive and manufacturing process. So hybrid additive and subtractive manufacturing process, it's concentrate on to manufacturing flexibilities as well as the good surface finish, and mainly it will be used for the small batch productions and customized product. Okay, so for that this hybrid additive and subtractive manufacturing process used. Then different types of the hybrid additive and subtractive manufacturing processes like laser cladding and mechanical machining and electroforming and polishing process. This is about the hybrid additive and subtractive manufacturing process. Then comes into the hybrid subtractive and transformative manufacturing process. Usually in this one there are two processes will be used. So one process is used to cutting the material, and other process which can be used to remove the materials. Like if suppose if we take down any of the lasers cutting machines used in the manufacturing process, laser always used to cut the material, and machine tools is used to remove the or do the machining operation. So like that operation, that is hybrid subtractive and transformative manufacturing process. So the types of in this one will be laser assisted water jet cutting as well as plasma enhanced mechanical machining and laser assisted mechanical machining. So here the laser function will be used to cut the component, and mechanical machining is used to like some of the machine tool devices are used to remove the materials. So that is the function. And if you take down the laser assisted water jet cutting process, laser is used to cut the component, and water jet cutting can be used to remove the material, as well as that also used to cut the product. So this is about the types of hybrid manufacturing.